Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to make this side mesh skirt. It's cute, it's fancy, and it's pretty. For the materials you need some yarn. I used a 4mm crochet hook, some scissors, some stitch markers, and a tape measure. So I'm going to put measurements and the chains you're going to chain. So I'm going to be making this in an extra small, so I'm going to chain 116. You can take a screenshot here to get the foundation chains you need to make. So I'm going to be making my chain of 116, then I'll slip stitch it to the beginning chain. After finishing making your foundation chain, straighten it and then slip stitch to join so that it forms a ring. Then chain 2, then work double crochet stitches in each stitch to the end. So work double crochet stitches in each stitch. Then after finishing the last double crochet, slip stitch to the beginning chain 2 to join. Then now we can work row 2. So row 2 is where the mesh stitch begins. So chain 2 and work 37 stitches. Since this is an extra small, I'm going to work 37 double crochet, but I'm going to list how many double crochet for each size. So for this one, I'm just going to work for the next 37 stitches, I'm going to work double crochets. So after completing the 37 stitches, or the number of stitches you have depending on your size, chain 6, then skip 3 stitches and single crochet in the 4th stitch, then chain 6 again, and single crochet in the 4th stitch, and do this for a total of 5 meshes. And then After the 5th mesh, you can continue with the double crochet stitches. So after my 37 other stitches, I'm going to repeat the mesh pattern as in the other side. So chain 6 and skip 3 stitches and single crochet in the 4th to the end. So you'll realize at this point, after completing your last mesh, 5 meshes, you'll be at the end, and you'll slip stitch to the chain 2 at the beginning to join. So this is row 2, end of row 2. So we're going to keep doing this. So for row 3, chain 2, then double crochet in each double crochet from the previous row. After your double crochet stitches, we're going to start our third row. So this is going to be different. So we're going to chain 3, single crochet in the first mesh, then chain 6 and single crochet in each mesh space, chain 6, then single crochet in the next mesh space, chain 6, single crochet in the next mesh, chain 6 again, single crochet, then chain 6 again and single crochet in the last mesh, single crochet in the last mesh, then chain 3 and join to the other row with a double crochet. Join to the row with a double crochet. So the purpose of this row is to create like a straight mesh look, so that it doesn't look curved or cornered. So continue with your double crochet stitches to the end, to the next mesh, then repeat the process again. So here we are at the beginning of the mesh. So chain 3 and single crochet to the first mesh, chain 6 and a single crochet in the next mesh space. Then do this in each of the mesh spaces. Then in the last space, let me just do this first, the chain 6 in each mesh, and I'll show you what I do at the end to join. So at the end, chain 3 and single crochet to the beginning chain 2, and that's row 3. So the mesh is straight at this point. It has no bend. So what you do is you alternate row 2 and 3 for the next however many rows you want to do. Just keep alternating them until your skirt achieves your desired length, and we'll meet at the end. So here's my skirt. I did about 35 rows, and now we're going to proceed to finishing. For finishing, attach yarn at the top of the skirt and chain 2. Then we're going to do front post and back post double crochet stitches. So in the first stitch, put a front post double crochet stitch. Then in the next stitch, put a back post double crochet stitch. What these 2 stitches in alternation achieve is some sort of ribbing. So through this ribbing, you can put a strap through that you can use to tie around your waist, or you can just leave it like that. But do the back post and front post alternating stitches to the end, and your skirt will be done. Let's meet at the very end. So I've finished my front post and back post double crochet. So slip stitch to join and cut the yarn and fasten off. So this is the skirt. This is the side mesh skirt. It's pretty. You can go on a date with it. You can literally go with it anywhere fancy, and it's a pretty easy DIY project, right? Well, that's it for now. Thank you guys for clicking. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please stay for more. Subscribe, like, share. Bye.